Hi, we're here at Castle Inman. We're taking down the big trees that are where we're going to put the castle. We were hoping to get wood out of the trees, but every single one is hollow up the centre, like up to this much hollow up the centre. And then the branches are hollow up the centre. So they were dying anyway, but yeah, so we can't really get anything out of them other than firewood, except for one tree, the turpentine tree, which is really beautiful. It's all beautiful wood, but just unusable for anything other than firewood. And of course we've taken out the gate, took out the electric wire. Other than that, so far we're okay, and Rowdy hasn't tripped us today, so we're good.
Now let's just check out the gate. This is what happens
when it's hollow in the centre.
It's hollow in the centre.
And it doesn't fall the direction you plan.
And it doesn't go the direction you plan. And that's why, listeners, it's very important. It can be life-saving to employ professionals.
And as you can see, the holes in here too. Have a look
see
at
the pipes?
Yeah.
Makes it...
Like all these holes here. This one there, up there, like every single one has got hollows in it.
Yeah.
And not too much wildlife, only one bird's nest. We've only had one bird's nest out of all of this.
And it was empty?
No, there's been one in the tree, but not where
active.
Not where they used last year. And we've had one lot of native bees that swarmed. Yes, it's down there somewhere because we had to leave it. They were just crawling all over us, like really
intense.
All over, so.
And let's just have a look to show the people at home some of these pipes and stuff that we're looking at. You give. And so that gives you an idea. This is about almost 1 metre by 1 metre, and that's the size of the rot and the amount of rot. So trees definitely at the end of their life, and you can see that right around. So what we're doing for the castle is trying to reuse and give a legacy for what was here and what will be here. It's quite tricky navigating through.
Was 80s and 90s. It's all about perm, right? So when it goes to, and we had straight hair, so we had to get it perm, and then halfway through the perm, and the ladies all go, "Oh, you got a lot of hair." Yeah, so. And
got their work cut out.
Yeah, that's right. But then when it goes to straight is the fashion, both of us, my sister and I, our hair went curly. And it's like, I hate you hair gods. Damn you hair gods.
I tell you what, that's one thing I've noticed about women over the decades. No matter what their hair is, they hate it.
Well, you know, it'd be okay if the hair curled and went straight with the...
Yeah, I'm going to take it out a little bit, just in case.
We've got a flat battery on the Land Boss. It's all our fault, of course.
I prefer to blame you, right? Just film us while you're doing that.
Yeah, I am. You're actually going to need someone in the driver's seat. I'd jump in now. I'll give you a push, but you need to be in like right now.
Yep.
And there's
handbrake on the side.
Yep. Give it the. Oh,
I got him.
Got him.
Yeah.
No, give it a bit more.
You don't want to go too far because then we've got to get it back.
Yeah, but we'll jump start it.
Oh, okay, you can you?
Yeah, we got a jump start kit.
you just take it right down the bottom there.
See, mate. I don't
Yeah.
go past the logs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, where it'll just sit flat.
Yeah,
See you, mate.
yeah. Try clutch start it.
It can't. It's bloody electric for Christ. It's automatic.
Oh, okay. Don't worry about that then.
Next we'll try magic.
We're not allowed to do magic. You'll get a howler for that.
Spelliarmus. Go, car, go.
So, pretty interesting day. We had the DPI out here earlier, putting down miticide strips to see if we've got the mites. The guys are just doing the prep work and dropping the fence, making sure it's safe. We are actually, yeah, Thinking about the fence, we might do a fair bit of work to the fence to just sweeten it up, tidy it up a bit. Might be an idea to put some horse mesh stiff stay on it. Don't know. We'll have a think about that. But here's the guts of it. You have a cable to pull the tree in the direction you want to go. You're not moving that, it's too solid. And it's not used. It's completely expendable.
Does it matter if it gets damaged?
Completely expendable, we don't care.
There's a lot of head in that.
Yep, it'll be flicking stuff everywhere.
Yeah, that's right.
Now there's a chance that it's going to cartwheel. Now if it cartwheels, this will make fantastic video. Really great. Oh, Sharon, I've got an idea. I've got because we're doing it in one take. Let's see if I can do something about getting better audio quality. And I don't think I can. I've got my really good camera somewhere, but I can't remember where I put it. So this gives you an idea of the sort of humble nature of the interior at the moment. I've found a cold cup of coffee. It's handy, but I don't know where my camera is. The problem, there's the redwoods coming along, which is good.
Just get a hollow in the middle.
Yeah, we'll be right. We will be right. I'll just get the pop on the hat, because it's a good idea. Get the cuppa, because it's a good idea. And they're just about to start cutting, so I need to get out of this area because it's dangerous for me to be here and shuffle around. Apologies for the Cinema Veritas. That's shaky camera in French. And I'll just move out of the impact zone.
Yeah, I do 2.5 metres.
Yeah.
Oh, I did. Yeah, I've got raised beds at home. I love them.
Yeah.
Good
Well, I
mulch.
told you about that one strawberry I got. It was great.
Alright, so you're happy with these bundles?
Yeah,
for the
just
thing?
leave them there.
Awesome.
Because all we have to do is get inside here
Yep.
when the fences are back up to keep the cattle from rubbing up against them and breaking the other side
Yeah.
as well.
Okay.
Or putting a dent to match.
The dent.
We got after what, 3 days? QF50 did that, I think. Or
Yeah,
something
yeah, yeah. It was QF50.
Yeah. QF50 was the favourite until one of them went down with 3-day illness. So we went out to the paddock, put water next to it, and we weren't quite sure what was wrong with him. And the rest of the herd were over here. And Q50, who's the leader, who decided he was the leader after he got to be the biggest, ran over with the rest of them, surrounded us, and then went to flip me. Put his head underneath and went, whoop.
Whoa!
Yeah. And I was like, right, chuck steak.
Yeah.
I'm going to be so sad when I say bye to you.
Yeah,
They're-
looks
they're
like
back-
meat's
they're
back on the menu, boys.
They're about this high, the steers.
Wow.
They were like
What, 2 years? Or?
Red Angus, Devon Cross, something.
Massive.
Do you,
we had a-
do you
and a
eat some of your own
Charolais.
meat? Like,
And
No,
we
well,
haven't tried it yet.
no, I ain't tried it.
There
Yeah.
was one that he didn't go 3 times before. I think I probably told you the story. And the way we got him into the cattle crush was using crack, which is molasses.
yes.
I love that.
Molasses is crack for cattle. He
Okay.
went, get out of the way, people, I'm getting
Straight
here.
in, yeah.
So
Straight
I
in.
got him in there like
Yeah.
that morning, or
Yeah.
no, I got them in there the night before. They just all ran in because I put out Lucin
Smell it.
with the crack on it,
Jump down on the controller.
Yep.
and off they went. So
It's going to be 100% which one. So the arrow in.
Yep.
I think it's down.
so there's a big nest up there with a round hole in it. So is that the possums, you reckon?
Oh, well, that's termites. That's termites that a possum or something has
Taken over.
dug into.
Yeah. Now you're not going to ruin me good grass, are you? What do you reckon, Rowdy?
This is going to be something. Now, I'd like to point out, listeners and watchers, that this has been about a good year and a bit in the planning.
You see, we've got a.
Nah, it's alright. We'll be able to hear us.
Here we go. Ooh. And you can see that pipe. This is a point where I've got to start moving back. So we've got a bit of slow TV here at the moment. But there's a tremendous amount of concentration required for this. Uh-oh, heard a pop. Heard another pop. She's going. And there we go.
Everyone alive?
We're looking for the bees now.
Ah,
There we
shut up.
go. There we go.